Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum, dear all the parents and my fellow teachers. In my today's session, I will tell you about regrouping. Okay, I will tell you about regrouping, what regrouping is and how it works with addition and subtraction. We will discuss both addition and subtraction. Okay. I'm in a Zoom meeting, that's why my YouTube viewers can see the Zoom controls on the screen, and I hope the participants of my Zoom meeting will not mind it recording the meeting. And to respect your privacy, I have stopped your videos. And okay, so for regrouping, first of all, you have to introduce these hundreds, tens, and ones concept. Tell your children that ones are all alone. They are just the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not 10, only till 9. These are the numbers in ones. Okay, if we add a 10 to its side, if we add a 10, the number will become 11, 12. Let me change the color to make it more visible. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Okay, so when the numbers are in tens, they are double digit numbers. Starting from 10 to onward till 99, they are double digit numbers. And ones are all alone. They start with 0, 0 till 9. They are ones. And hundreds are the digits, hundreds are the numbers with 3 digits. 100 till 999. Okay. So, when we have to introduce the regrouping, before introducing regrouping, we can make our kids practice lots of worksheets from Google. You can find lots of worksheets from Google. Let me see if I have them. Yes, my WhatsApp is open. That's why I'm not going on Google tab. Okay. So let's do a question here with regrouping. For example, the question is 34 plus 27. Okay. Tell them that at one side we cannot keep anything that is double digit, that is more than 10, 10 or more than 10. We cannot keep with us. We will give it to our friends. We will give it in our neighbors because we don't have space to keep it. Sorry, I have bad throat. I'm a bit under the weather. Okay, at one side, tell them that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, only till 9. Okay, tell them that we have space of only keeping these 9 digits. Numbers till 9 only. If we have anything that is more than this, then we will just keep what is at our right hand side. We will keep what is at our right hand side and we will give rest of the amount to the 10th side. Okay. So 7 plus 4 is 11. We will, how to write 11? Like this. So this side will go to ones and this side will go to tens. We cannot keep it because 11 is more than 9. Okay, I will write 1 here and 1 carried forward. Then 3 plus 1 is 4, 5, 6. 61 is the answer. Let's do one more question. 38 plus 46. 6 plus 8 is, okay, one more thing. Sometimes even at grade 2, the students are still adding with like opening the fingers first, open 8 fingers, then 9, this or that. Tell them that in addition, you can just count onwards to get what the number is. Like 8 plus 6. So you only have to open 6 fingers. You only have to open 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th finger of your other hand. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And 14, while writing 14, 4 is at your 1 side and 1 is at your 10 side. I will write 4 here and 1 carried forward. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 84 is the answer. Help your child to practice counting onwards method. Let's do one more. 77 plus 29. Okay, 7 plus 9 is, open 7 fingers and count 9 onwards. 9 is written. Tell your students the number that is written, you will not count it. You will start from the next digit. 9 is written, so you will start saying, instead of fingers, I am drawing the lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 9 is written here. I'll start counting from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. 6 is at my right side and 1 is at my left side. So I carried forward 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. It is 106. Okay. So this is how we will help the kids to do questions with carrying, carried forward, or this is also called regrouping. You change the group. Okay, now let's do some subtraction. 72 minus 36. Okay, we cannot subtract 6 from 2, so we will ask the neighbor to give us 110. Your neighbor will not give you any change. Your neighbor will always give you a note of 10 rupees or a stick with tens, because your neighbor is the tens. Your neighbor has only tens. Your neighbor has only tens. He cannot give you the units. Okay? So when your neighbor will give you its tens and they will come to your home, you will break them. You will break them. You will say that, oh, I got tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So what you already have? You already have 2 here. So 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay. When your neighbor will give you 1 bar, you will write 1 here. That my neighbor gave me 1 bar. Okay, 1 and 2, 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Right? And your neighbor had 7 sticks with it. Now he is left with 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 36 is left. Let's do one more. 84 minus 29. We cannot subtract 9 from 4, so we will ask our neighbor to give us 1 bar of tens. Because our neighbor has only tens. Okay, we will make it 7 and the neighbor gave us 1. And we have now 14. 14 minus 9. How to subtract? In subtraction, we can come from 9 till 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 5. 7 minus 2 is 3. I hope it's clear to you now. And again, I will say, help your child to practice addition and subtraction as much as you can. And when you are done with these carrying and borrowing questions, help them to do The pairs of tens, like 7 plus what will make 10, 9 plus what will make 10. These things will help them to sharpen their mental math skills. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.